Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I have for you my Sephora VIB haul. I'm so excited to share what I got, and if you'd like to see it, keep on watching. Okay, so I got quite a few things. I shopped over 2 weekends for the VIB Rouge online and in store, so I thought I'd share with you what I got. If you want to see any of these products and get ready with me or a review, just let me know. But today I'm just gonna kind of show you the items that I got. So first off, I got the Drunk Elephant Day Kit. It's super cool, you guys. And it was such a good value. Basically for the price of the Sephora, you got that plus a bunch of other like miniature sizes. So this is actually a repurchase for me. I love the Sephora. It's such a good product and I thought this was a great way to try it out again. So this also came with a Shaba Complex Eye Serum, which I've never tried, the V Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, which I've never tried, the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, which is not one of my favorites, but it's good, especially like for daytime use. And then the Ubra Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF, and this is with a tint. I have the one that is without a tint, so I'm excited to try this. So not only do I get to repurchase something that I know and love, but I also get to try out some new products. Also, this is kind of a cool package, is that when you lift it up, there are some cards, and this is really looking at the some of the stuff that can be in your skincare that actually can be not the best for your skin. And these are the 6 things that Drunk Elephant is free from. So it's kind of fun because it's like a little game of things to look for in your current skincare routine. And then you can use the magnifying glass. This pops out so you can kind of look at the ingredients in your current routine. So that's kind of cool. I think it's just a really, really good value. And so I'm so glad I got that. I've actually already, some of this stuff I waited for and some of this stuff I couldn't wait to film before using. So this is one of the things that I've been using it. This is my second bottle. So okay, moving on. Let's see, I'm gonna go over another repurchase for myself, and that's the IT Cosmetics CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream plus Anti-Aging Hydration Serum SPF 50. This is such a long name, but I love the CC cream. I love that it has an SPF of 50. I was wearing the color tan. It's just a little bit too dark for me, so I actually ended up getting the medium tan, which I have not tried yet. But this is a perfect everyday for work for me. I'm out in the sun every single day, so I like to make sure that my skin is well protected. So again, this was a repurchase. I'm excited to try this new color. Okay, another thing that I was just suckered into when I was checking out is the Invisibobble scrunchie. You guys, I love Invisibobble, and I just like couldn't pass up like a good old-fashioned scrunchie. So basically it's just an Invisibobble with this material on it, and I just thought it was super cute and like for wearing around the house. You guys, this was not necessary, but I wanted it. So I wanted it at 20% off, so I got it. So yeah. That's just, that like going in store is awful. I just get suckered into all those little things, but this is the only thing I picked up, so props to me. Okay, another thing that I was trying is that I do have a day eye cream that I really, really love, but I wanted something at night that was a little bit more moisturizing, and I picked up the Laneige Special Care Eye Sleeping Mask. And so this was really cool, and it was actually an Allure Beauty Winner, so I thought, okay, so I should try it. It's kind of an interesting like formulation. I thought it'd be thicker, but this is how it comes, and you open it up and it has this like ceramic like doe foot, and it actually is a little bit thinner, and it kind of goes on the ceramic, kind of like, I don't know if you call it a doe foot, is actually cooling and I think like soothing, and it's a really lightweight serum, but it feels really good, and it is actually really moisturizing, and I really have been enjoying it. It's one of those things that I popped out as soon as I got it so I can begin to try it. one thing I noticed, it doesn't feel super like heavy, which is really good. Sometimes with really heavy creams, even though you want the moisturizing element of it, is that you can get these little like white, I think it's like Milia, the right name, I'm not sure, but little white kind of like zits that can be really difficult to get rid of. And I also like this because you can put it on the orbital bone, and that is really what they stay in the direction, is to kind of put it all over this area and then kind of just like pat it in. And I have been really liking it. Okay, I actually got a lot of skincare, so that's just kind of my thing. I love skincare. So I also picked up the Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. This stuff, you guys, I have not heard anybody talk about this. I had no idea this was even a thing, like that Lancer had this oil, and it is so good. It's a little bit pricey. I actually really like it more than the Drunk Elephant. I was using the Drunk Elephant, this is the marula oil, but their oil, and I liked it, but this stuff is a game changer, you guys. So I actually got a sample of it when I picked up the Lancer, the Method Polish, which I use in the shower and I love and highly recommend. And it came with this oil, and I thought I'd try it. You guys, it is so good. It's a really moisturizing but lightweight oil. It really does like sink in and doesn't feel oily, but it's oh so moisturizing. You guys, I really love it, and I highly recommend it. It is so good. I don't know how I lived without this. I love oils, but I don't like to feel like super heavy or like it feels like it's clogging my pores, and this just like melts in beautifully. It doesn't really feel like you have an oil, but you're so hydrated, and I use it every single night. So you guys, this is so good. You should really try it out. Okay, one more skincare thing before I get to makeup. So I picked up, and I've been wanting to try this, is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I've just been feeling really dry, and I like to have some moisturizing stuff at night. I have not even opened this, but I'm so excited to try it. I've heard great things about it, and I figured this is a great time to try it out at 20% off. So I'm looking forward to, now that I'm filming this video, is trying this. I might even try it tonight. So it's an overnight mask, and it's awesome, and it also can be used as a hydrating primer under makeup. So your girl's excited to try this out. Okay, now to the few makeup products that I did purchase. So I had a few things that I have been wanting on my wish list, and then a few things that I was just like in store online and was like, hey, I want to try that out. So the first thing that is definitely a bit pricey, and it's been on my wish list for so long, it's the Kevyn Aucoin, the sculpting powder. I have a really hard, and this is the shade Deep, a really hard time finding a contour powder that doesn't look so ashy or gray on me, and I've heard great things about it. How bougie is that? It comes in a velvet little pouch, but I finally kind of bit the bullet, and it looks awesome. I can't wait to try this out. Again, I haven't pulled this out. I've been waiting to film the video, but I'm hoping the color is just slightly warm enough, and it does indeed look that way, that it's not going to make me look super ashy or, you know, that like dirty look. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, so next up, that was on my loves list, I actually purchased another color that didn't really work from Nordstrom's, and then when Charlotte Tilbury came to Sephora, I thought this was the perfect time to pick another color up at 20% off. I took the other color that I had back, but this is the color Wish, and it has this beautiful like dark bronzy color with a like a little swish of pink, and I think it's going to be so perfect for like an everyday blush or something that's, you know, you don't want something too bright. So I'm excited to try this out. The color looks beautiful, and I've heard a lot of great things about this blush. Okay, next up, I'm obsessed with the Marc Jacobs eyeliners. The gel eye crayons, they stay on for so long. They go on beautifully. They're so smooth and silky, and I have 2 or 3 that I use every single day, kind of alternate. But I had seen somebody try in the waterline in the buff, and I thought this would be perfect. I don't have stuff that stays in the waterline very well, so I picked this up because it has such good staying power. It's such a good pencil, and I am excited to try this. It's more of like a champagne-y kind of color, and it's gorgeous. Okay, 2 more things to share with you. This was just kind of in one of the was in the like gifts, and it's the Bite Sweet Treats Party Prep Agave Lip Care Set. Now, I've heard such great things about the Bite Agave lip line, especially the mask, but I have yet to try it out. I love the Laneige, but I thought I wanted to try something different, and I thought this was like a really inexpensive. It was like $12, such a great gift idea. And it comes with a mini agave lip in the stick form, and then it also comes with the mask in a mini. And so I just thought that was a perfect way to try it out. This is, I think, champagne, which I love champagne, so it's perfect. And then just a little trial size of the lip scrub. So I'm excited to try all of that out, and it comes in just such cute packaging. I couldn't resist, and if I like it, I can purchase the full size. And the last thing, and I'm so excited for, is the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the color Uncuffed. Now these look so gorgeous, and I've heard such great things about her lip paints, and I just thought this shade was gorgeous. Like, the packaging is beautiful, and I'm so excited to see the color and try it on. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it goes on gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear this. Again, this is another one that I've been wanting to break out, but I've been waiting to film, and it's been a few weeks. So that is what I picked up. I'd love to hear if you picked up anything that you thought was worth sharing, if you love any of these products or things you recommend to me from Sephora. I always love your input. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.